Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the ghost problem on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and remove the screen protector or case, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your case is covering even a tiny part of your screen, then what can happen is your phone can simply stop moving, or it will just click randomly in one place, and we definitely do not want it. Now, for the screen protector, if it's poorly applied, if it's going off the lines, if it's going off the screen, it should stay only on the screen, so make sure that it is. Now, what you guys want to do is remove it if that's the case. If not, then just keep it. And next, we can clean our screen to remove any debris, moisture, and fingerprints. So it's also very important. Now we're gonna go over and grab a microfiber cloth and just give it a few swipes. So 3 to 4 swipes is definitely enough, 2 for each side. Now, after cleaning the phone, what we want to do is we want to go over and check for software updates as a last resort. So we want to scroll all the way down in the settings, go to system, and click on system update. Now it will check automatically for software updates. I have the latest version, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it's very important to keep up with the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.